This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas Gorrepati. As part of this video, we are going to see the sort transformation in SSIS. So I already configured the source. I taken a data from a flat file source. I converted 3 columns into proper data types. Now I'm going to take sort transformation and I'm going to give the columns to a sort transformation as input. So sort transformation, here you can see the list of columns which are coming as a source. You can see from here. So these are all the columns that you are getting as input for sort. In that, pass through is an option where we are not going to sort anything. We are going to consider the value. Now you can specify what column you want to sort. I want to sort the sales column. Sales is a column which contains a numeric data. I want to sort and I want to sort in a descending order. As it is a numeric column, there is no comparison flags that you can set. So whenever you select any column for sorting, that column will not be passed. The original column will not be passed and the sorted column will come. So click on OK and I'm adding an audit transformation here as an output. I can take any destination column, but I just want to showcase the data here itself. Enable data viewer. So I'm executing this one. You can see that the output of a sort transformation is having this data. I have a sales column which contains the highest values available here. Then after 800, 750, 600, 550, 500. So all the data came in a descending order. Now, as you know that in a SQL server or SQL queries, you can sort based on a multiple columns also. So you can select a multiple columns to sort. I added a transaction ID. So I'm saying that based on the sales descending order, based on the transaction number descending order, I want to say. So oldest transaction with high sales amount I want to see. I mentioned it as a ascending. The sorting first based on this column, second based on this column. Now I'm re-executing it. You can see after sort we are getting this as a data, and here the sales data is coming in a descending order, whereas the transaction ID it came in a ascending order only. If you observe 2, 4, 47, 53, 80, 86, 113, 119, 146, 152, this came in a proper ascending order. So in this scenario, I considered two columns for assorting, and you can specify the sort order also. So whatever the columns that you selected here for sorting, you need to provide the sort order and how you want to perform a sorting. And then after, remove rows with duplicate sort values. So if you have a scenario, whatever the key that you considered here, if it contains duplicates, if you don't want to consider, you can enable that one. Otherwise, you can ignore it. So you just need to select a column and you need to specify the order and the type, sort type. So this is only the configuration that you need to make for a sort. So that's it about a sort transformation in SSIS. If you have any questions, make a comment as part of a comment section. We will respond as earliest. Thanks much for watching.